Audio Jungle.
When making a decision about retrofitting a building, you need to understand what is the probability, the likelihood of my building, being subjected to a large earthquake. So the United States Geological Survey put this graph together to help cities, homeowners, apartment owners, everyone make that kind of decision, because we need to know the probability of a large earthquake, again, to make that decision. So what this graph tells us is the time span between the big earthquakes. So between 1134 and 1317, it was 183 years. And by the way they figured this out is they went to the Hayward Fault, they dug lots of trenches, and when they dug the trenches, they could tell, when the big earthquakes were, and the distance between the times. So then if we come over here, 1317 to 1475, we have 158 years. Then over here we have 153 years, and then 97 and 142. And right now, between now and 1868, which was the time of the last big one, it's 154 years. So if you look at this one, this 154 years is greater than this one. So we've exceeded this distance, this time span right here. We've exceeded this time span right here. We've exceeded this time span right here. We're almost on par with this time span right here, and this one is a little bit longer. So that's why we're really pushing the maximum time span between large earthquakes historically. And this is just something that we really need to know, because looking at this graph, the probability of a large earthquake occurring in my lifetime and in your lifetime is quite high. Here is a study made by the Association of Bay Area Governments, where they looked at the housing stock here in the San Francisco Bay Area to figure out how many people are going to be displaced. And the data it gives us is quite shocking. So here you can see Alameda County, where I live, is 204,000. That's the largest number. But if you come across here, you can see thousands and thousands and thousands of people that are going to be displaced, which makes the importance of a seismic retrofit standard so important.